Today I'd like to show you how to paper weave. You can find the paper in the construction paper in the collage center. Grab one to be your loom and grab some paper strips. You can find strips in the scrap papers, or you can even find extra papers that you could cut into strips later in these scrap paper boxes. And then take these back and you can begin paper weaving. Take your loom, the big paper that you grabbed, and you're going to fold it the hamburger style. Not a hot dog, but long, big and tall like a hamburger. You can even take a tool to flatten out that fold. Now, there's the folded side and the edges. See how there's a folded side in the opening? You want to find the folded side. You're going to take your scissors to the folded side and begin cutting some straight lines. You're going to cut, but stop before you cut all the way to the edge. Cut, stop, stop, cut, stop, and then do straight lines all the way to the end of the paper. And when you unfold it, it should look like this and be loose and wiggly. Then you're going to take some of your paper strips, and here's where you do the pattern. You're going to weave over, under, over, under. You can see here I've already done over, under. So now the next one is under, over, and last one, under. Then I pull it to the bottom. Now, this is where it becomes important. The first one, that orange, I started under. So now with the green, I'm going to start over and then under, over, under, over, under. And I'm going to repeat this over, under pattern and pull it down, slide it down so they touch. The yellow is the opposite. Under, over, slide down, and check it out. It looks like a checkerboard pattern. Now, if I need more strips, I can take some scrap construction paper and cut it into strips myself and begin to weave with these scraps. You can use lots of different colors and different size of strips to weave. So here we are, over, under again, and pull down. There are some common mistakes that can happen with weaving. Sometimes when we weave, we forget to do the opposite. And when you don't do the opposite, you'll notice that they're the same. Like this red one here, they end up touching. So just pull it back out and do it the right way. Over, under. Or sometimes we'll end up skipping some papers, and we don't mean to do that. So then we end up with over, under, under. And that's not what we need either. So pull it back out and go back to the over, under pattern. When you're all done doing your pattern and you've filled up the whole thing the way you want to, go back and glue the strips or tape the strips so they're nice and secure and they're not going to fall loose. Do this on the front and on the back. Put away the glue as well. Now you have some choices. You can cut off the edge of the strips, if you'd like. You could make fringes, or you could just leave them the way they are. It is up to you how you design and decorate your project. You can even go back with paint or markers to decorate and design on top of your weaving. Make it even more beautiful and just like you. Now, the possibilities of paper weaving are so fun. You could just make a card, you could do it rainbow, you could weave lots of colors right on top of each other like these ones. You could get pattern paper, you could weave into a design. There's lots and lots of ideas. You could even weave in so that it looks like something like this fish or a heart, or maybe something that's just for you.